Nigeria is a country with tremendous opportunities and significant growth potential. Its estimated 200 million people make it the largest nation on the African continent. With a median age of 18 years, Nigeria also has one of the youngest populations in the world. Its economy is the largest on the continent, outspacing regional peers South Africa and Kenya. The size and diversity of the country are creating both challenges and opportunities. 6 million young people enter the labor market every year. The economy is not yet sufficiently diversified to provide opportunities for all of them. Nearly half of the working age population is unemployed or underemployed. Lack of economic opportunities is one of the major drivers of migration. 37 million micro, small and medium-sized enterprises form the backbone of the Nigerian economy. Their growth and employment potential remain limited when access to finance and business services is insufficient. Innovative solutions are strongly needed. GIZ, on behalf of the German Development Corporation, has been working with the Nigerian government on sustainable development since 1974. GIZ provides technical assistance to local partners to enable them to shape their own development process. One of the long-standing programs in the country is the Pro-Poor Growth and Promotion of Employment in Nigeria program, SEDIN. Since 2011, SEDIN has worked for sustainable private and financial sector development to improve the economic situation of local businesses and economically active households. Access to finance remains a major challenge for local businesses to expand their operations, increase their income, and create jobs. SEDIN works with the Central Bank of Nigeria, microfinance banks, public, private, and civil society organizations to increase financial knowledge and skills. Since 2017, more than 100,000 individuals were trained on financial literacy by SEDIN partners. The AFC Agriculture and Finance Consultants closely supports SEDIN's efforts to provide innovative financial services that meet with the needs of the local businesses. 22 microfinance banks receive training and coaching to improve internal operations, develop innovative loan products, and strengthen consumer protection. Most microfinance banks offer loans for a very short duration, as short as 30 days, and at small amounts. Local businesses use such loans for working capital to generate quick cash flow for loan repayment. They don't have any option to finance long-term investments and business expansions apart from their own savings. Together with partner microfinance banks, SEDIN has developed 3 innovative loan products to support local businesses invest and grow. While lending to the agricultural sector is always tricky, most banks are not ready to finance newly established businesses. Funding startups is considered very risky. What mitigation measures could be found to enable banks lend to businesses started by the youth, women, and potential migrants? The Opportunity Plus approach turned out to be a game changer. This loan product provides financing for newly established enterprises with proven business models, regular cash flow, and low seasonality. Loan duration is 1 year and longer, with higher amounts that allow for asset acquisition. Young people now have the chance to create businesses and build a livelihood for themselves.
So we find this very interesting because it has reduced unemployment, which has been prevalent in the society. GIZ is involved basically in training both staff. They also provide financial literacy to some of our customers. These trainings that are being done to both customers and staff have gone a long way to reduce customers' disloyalty in terms of loan repayment, because once they are financially literate, whatever we give to them, they use it well, keep good records, and then they're able to repay in good time and take a repeat loan. And this has helped and has gone a long way to really improve the business generally.
I was living an idle life, seeking for opportunity here and there, but couldn't find anyone. At a point, Gowans microfinance came to my aid. And I'm happy because it has helped me to help myself financially and also to support my family. I've been able to go back to school. Want to appreciate GIZ for partnering with them, and I pray that God will continue to strengthen them and will continue to empower them so that they will empower a lot of youths that are wondering about.
After the NYC, I couldn't get a job. So when I got the Opportunity Plus financing, it has helped me to establish my business and also to expand the business more. It has helped me to employ more staff that has been able to help me in running the business.
To contribute to this goal, SEDIN has established excellent cooperation with key stakeholders in the financial sector. Many years of market experience and the commitment of our partners enabled us to design viable solutions for Nigerian entrepreneurs. A representative survey has demonstrated considerable income and employment effects through the provision of access to financial services to business clients of supported microfinance banks. Over the last 2 years, the number of employees per business has more than doubled, and income grew on average over 30%. GIZ support contributed to stronger financial institutions with growing portfolios and reduced risk. Microfinance banks increasingly assume the vital role they can play in income and employment creation for local economic development.